Hi, washing squad. So I've just come back from holiday and I have a lot of washing to do. So the first load will be the swimwear. As you can see, it's quite little in there. I've put the liquids already. So today I'm going to just do a silk program. Not small. 30 degrees, 600 spin, 32 minutes. Let's start it. So right now it's just locked and it's going to fill now. So yeah. You might hear it, you might see it going to the machine. Obviously you can hear it. It will be sudsy though. It will be sudsy. Now off we go. So it's just starting. The first turn of the wash is always good. So it's just going to do this for about 5 minutes or just over. So right now it's just taking the detergent and then it will move on to its main wash and heating stage. So this is just the swimwear, like I said. Camera's a bit blurry. So it's not taking any more water because it can detect it's a small load. It's taking more water now. So really it's just going to do that for about 7 minutes and then move on to its heating stage. You can see it's very sudsy. It's just going to do that for 7 minutes really. 31 minutes remaining. So the motor is like that because the clothes are tumbling on the drum. And yes, I am actually quite tanned, I've just realised. As you can hear background, having some breakfast. Just ignore that. It's not heating yet. That will turn on in about 7 minutes. I'm not sure how long. I've never used this program actually. It's actually the first time I've used this. Half an hour remaining exactly. And yeah, this did rub off. I'll come back to you when it's on its main wash or when it's just coming to its main wash. Alright guys, so it's just come to its main wash. It's skipped about 4 minutes. Just getting its last bit of water. Coming onto the main wash now. And off we go. Starting the heating now. I'm not sure how long the main wash is, so I think it's probably about 10 minutes, I'm not sure. The heater's really going through it. So what it's doing right now, so the rhythm is short turns and long pauses. What it's doing right now. Alright, so really that's what it's going to do. 25 minutes remaining. Really, that's what it's going to do for, I'm not sure how long. There's the towels. You might find this quite boring, so what I'm going to do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back to you, or maybe when it's on its first intermediate spin, really, or close to its first intermediate spin. So I'll see you then. Bye. Okay guys, so it's just finished heating like this second. 23 more minutes on the clock. The heater stopped. Okay, so not sure how long it's got left. Probably got 3 minutes left, or 5 minutes. So yeah, the rhythm will stay the same. I'm just going to come back to you when it's on its first spin. Okay guys, so it's just straightening now. 18 minutes left. I'll come back to you when it's gone a bit faster. Alright guys, so actually it just went straight on its first rinse, which is basically the cool down. It's going in. Water. So I'm guessing it doesn't do any spins, it only does one spin. Oh, we have a higher water level, I see. And that water, let's see how dirty it is. That's only a tiny bit dirty. It's only a tiny bit dirty actually. Bit grey, but it's not that dirty. I think you might do this for about 5 minutes. It's also dripping down from the drum. You might find this a bit boring, so I'll just pause it until it goes on probably its final rinse. So see you then. Alright guys, so it's on its final rinse now. It's just filling. I'll come back to you when it's just done filling. Alright guys, so it's on its final rinse. It's just filled. 9 minutes remaining. You can see it's taken all of it. It's not draining. I'll come back to you when it's on its final spin at 600 RPM. Alright guys, it's gone a bit faster now. A bit unbalanced, first attempt. 6 minutes remaining. It's a bit unbalanced, so I'm just going to pause it and I'll come back to you when it's balanced because I don't have enough storage on my phone. Alright guys, so here we go. RPM that is. Dropping. RPM. It's on the. I've left it on the default actually. I'll come back to you when it's on its anti-crease. Alright guys, so it's now on its anti-crease, where it does its 3 turns. Three minutes. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm not sure when I'll do my next load, but I will record bits of that as well. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.